Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, April 11 to Saturday, April 17, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at my first deal. So my first deal is Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Use 2 75 cents off Colgate printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $1.50. Pay or roll $6.48 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal is if you have this 4 of 16 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $15.96. It's $3.99 each. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75 cents of Colgate Optic White Sensitive and Max Fresh printable coupon on colgate.com. They have limit 4 per coupon per day per transaction. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker. The Colgate coupon is limit 2 per account. So if you want the another coupon, you can use the different account to print this coupon. The next deal is if you have this 5 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB and buy 2 select Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush and get back $6 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $15.96. Also you can buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city. It's $10.38. But make sure check this one is included or not because they say select Colgate toothbrush. The totals come out $26.34. Use one $5 of $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75 cents of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. Use 2 75 cents of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $9.50. Pay or roll $16.84 and get back $10 ECB for the Colgate Max Fresh and get back $6 ECB for the Colgate toothbrush. The final cost is only just 84 cents or 14 cents each. The next deal is select Crest, Oral-B or Glide deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste or Oral-B and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy 2 Oral-B manual toothbrush 1 city. It's $5.98. Use one $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is if you have this 4 of 25 any oral care CVS CRT, you can do this all together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. Buy 2 Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush and get back $6 ECB. And buy 2 Crest and Oral-B and get back $3 ECB. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, it's $7.98. Buy 2 Colgate Total Mouthwash 16.9 OZ, it's $11.18. It's $5.59 each. Also, you can buy 2 Oral-B manual toothbrush 1 CT, it's $5.98. The totals come out $25.14. Use one $4 of $25 Colgate any oral care CVS CRT. Use 2 75 cents of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon. Use $1 of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon. Use $2 of Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon. The total coupon is $9.50. Pay or roll $15.64 and get back $5 ECB for the Colgate Max Fresh. Get back $6 ECB for the Colgate mouthwash and get back $3 ECB for the Oral-B toothbrush. The final cost is only just $1.64 or 27 cents each. The next deal is Neutrogena or Pert V cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover facial cleansing towel wipe 21 city. It's $14.58. It's $7.29 each. Use $4 of 2 Neutrogena instant coupon on Coupon Center. This coupon is available on April 11th. Also, you can use $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer, it's $10.99. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, it's $13.79. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Single Eye Shadow, it's $6.99. Altogether, its total come out $31.77. Use $10 of $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $3 of L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic Mystery Coupon. This coupon is printed on week of April 4th. Use $2 of L'Oreal Paris Face Digital Coupon and use $2 of L'Oreal Face Printable Coupon. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $14.77 and get back $6 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. Plus 2000 points for the L'Oreal Paris Foundation is equal to $2 in fetch reward. This one is expired on 4th 11. If you don't have the fetch reward, you can download and my referral code is KK8HF. The final cost is only just $3.77 or $1.25 each. The next deal is check for the CoverGirl cosmetic deal. We don't have right now any CoverGirl coupon. This coupon is expired on April 10th. So check on the Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. The next deal is select Silk Razor deal. Spend $15 on Silk Razor and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $8.99 each. Buy 1 Silk Woman Institute razor, it's $8.99. Also, you can buy 1 Silk Man Hydro Silk razor, it's $8.99. In this deal, I add 1 Skintimate Save Gel, it's $2.59. The totals come out $20.57. Use $5 of $20 any razor CVS CRT. Use $5 of Silk Institute razor or refill CVS CRT. Use $3 of Silk Woman razor digital coupon and use $3 of Silk Man razor digital coupon. This coupon is available on April 11th, but make sure they say like $3 digital coupon. So whenever we have like that, we have both man and woman razor, but make sure to check on the Sunday this coupon. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $4.57 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Gillette and Venus razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Venus woman razor, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 2 Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $9.99 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free. We have right now $3 off Venus razor coupon on coupon.com, but when I print this coupon, it is expired on the next day. So many people get the long expiration date, so check on your expiration date before you purchase this product. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. It's on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe is $7.79. And also you can buy one Garnier Skin Active Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $3.64 because it's buy one get one 50% off and it's $7.29. The totals come out $11.43. Used to $2 off Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $7.43 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.43 or $1.21 each. But make sure check this coupon Sunday if we get any printable and digital coupon. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. Buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ, it's $22.49. And the second one is half Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water Makeup Remover Wipe, it's $3.89. Altogether, the totals come out $26.38. Use one $6 of $25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $5 off Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 off Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $6.38 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.38 or 69 cents each. Check this coupon if we get any printable and digital coupon. The next deal is any L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Also, you can buy 2 L'Oreal Face Cleanser Gel, it's $10.38. The totals come out $30.37. Use to $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use to $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. The total coupon is $22. Pay or roll $8.37 and get back $10 ECB. Plus, you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $4.63 money maker. But make sure to check this coupon we get any printable and digital coupon. The next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. Spend $30 get $10 ECB. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift Serum, it's $27.49. Also, you can buy one L'Oreal Paris Face Cleanser Gel, it's $5.19. Altogether, the totals come out $32.68. Use to $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use $5 of L'Oreal Paris Revita Lift Serum CVS CRT. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $12.68 and get back $10 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus 32-cent money maker. The next deal is Clairol Hair Color Deal. Buy 2 Clairol Hair Care and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Clairol Nice and Easy Permanent Hair Color, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use one, buy one, get one free Clairol Hair Color digital coupon, it's took $7.99. Also, you can use one $5 off 2 Clairol Hair Color digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $12.99. Pay or roll $3.99 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Household Deal Scenario 1. Spend 40 on household item and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one tile liquid 92 OZ, it's $11.94. Also, you can buy one tile port 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Buy one tile port 12 to 16 CT, it's $4.94. Also, you can buy two head and shoulder 10.6 to 13.5 OZ, it's $12. The totals come out $40.82. Use one $4 of $20 any Tide or Tide Code CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use one $3 of Tide Code digital coupon. Use two $2 of Tide Code digital coupon. Use one $3 of two Head and Shoulder digital coupon, and also you can use one $2 of Pantene and Head and Shoulder CVS CRT. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $23.82 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $13.82 or $2.76 each. The next deal is scenario 2. Buy two Secret deodorant, it's $10.93. It's buy one get one 50% off and it's $7.29 each. Also, you can buy one Tide Pod 16 CT is $4.94. Buy three Pantene shampoo 17.7 to 20.1 OZ is $15. It's 3 for $15. Also, you can buy two Head and Shoulder 10.6 to 13.5 OZ, it's $12. Altogether, the totals come out $42.87. Use one $4 of $18 any hair care CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 3 Pantene digital coupon. Use one buy one get one free Secret digital coupon. This coupon is available on April 11. It's took $3.64. Use one $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $3 of two Head and Shoulder digital coupon. And also you can attach $2 of Pantene and Head and Shoulder CVS CRT. The total coupon is $19.64. Pay or roll $23.23 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost all product is only just $13.23 or $1.65 each. The next deal is laundry detergent deal. Buy one and get back $3 ECB. Buy one Tide liquid 138 OZ, it's $19.99. Use one $4 of $20 any Tide or Tide Pod CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $12.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $9.99 each. The next deal is select Myadol or any Olive or Bayer medicine deal. Spend $20 on Olive or Bayer and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two Olive pain reliever 50 CT, it's $17.98. It's $8.99 each. Also, you can buy one Olive pain reliever 24 CT, it's $6.59. The totals come out $24.57. Use one $4 of $20 any pain relief CVS CRT. Use one $4 of two Olive 50 CT product digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. Use one $4 of two Olive 50 CT product printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $3 of Olive CVS CRT. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $9.57 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.57 or $1.19 each. The next deal is any Advil Dual Action or Liquid Gel medicine deal. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. Buy 3 Advil Liquid Gel 200 mg 20 CT, it's $14.97. It's $4.99 each. Use one $3 of $12 any pain relief or sleep aid CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Advil product CVS CRT. Use one $1.50 of Advil product 18 to 36 CT digital coupon, and also you can use one $1.50 of Advil product printable coupon on coupon.com, but this coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $6.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.97 or $1.32 each. The next deal is Summer Eve deodorant cleansing wash or cloth deal. Buy 2 Summer Eve and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy it's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 Summer Eve cleansing cloth 16 CT, it's $5.53 because it's buy one get one 50% off and it's $3.69 each. Use one $2 off 2 Femini Care CVS CRT. Pay or roll $3.53 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 53 cents or 26 cents each. The next deal is any Hallmark item deal. Spend $10 and get back $2 ECB. Buy 6 Hallmark paperback, it's $2.94. Also, you can buy 1 Hallmark gift box is $6.99. The totals come out $9.93. Use to $4 of $5 Hallmark card CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $1.93 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free, but make sure to check this one is included or not. The next deal it's 4 deal. Buy 2 on Chips Ahoy or Ritz cookie and get back $1 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Chips Ahoy cookies 7 to 13 OZ it's $6. Use $1 of 2 Nabisco cookie and cracker CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is only just $4 or $2 each. My last and final deal is Swedish or Sour Patch Gummy deal. It's on sale 2 for $4. Buy 2 Sour Patch Kids Gummy 7.2 to 8 OZ it's $4. Pay or roll $4 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $2 or $1 each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.